What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. I'm going to do a quick update today. I got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm just going to get this out there to you, show you what I'm looking at. Definitely stick around for the whole video. Don't forget, we have a free Discord group. There's a link below in the description. Definitely check it out. It's totally free, awesome community, and let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Don't forget, we do a free Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway. We do that every Monday. All you have to do to enter to win is scroll down, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and leave your comment down below. That will get you entered to win. I'm also taking comments on altcoins that you would like to see me chart. I will be doing that in the near future, so make sure you leave your favorite coin down below. I will start looking at the charts. But anyways, look at this as distribution phase. We've had this drawn out since back here in the beginning of March. It does seem to be playing out nicely. The Pi cycle top also hit up here. This is starting to look like a bear flag on the daily, but we'll go into this in a little bit. I just want to show you the distribution phase. If we look right here, this is the Wyckoff distribution phase. Now, I had drawn this out over here, like I said, back last month, and it does seem to be playing out nicely. That could get us down to a $40,000 Bitcoin. It is definitely a possibility. It doesn't mean it has to happen in a day or 2 days. It could take time, but let's take a look at PrimeXBT. If you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out PrimeXBT. I'll leave a tutorial up top on how to use their margin. You can also copy trade traders on PrimeXBT. You can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, all kinds of stuff from one exchange. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And you can use my promo code SAVVY50. We'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin. So if you put in 1 Bitcoin, you get a half a Bitcoin bonus. A Savvy25 will get you 25% off your trading fees. Definitely check it out. Bybit is also doing a special right now. I have links down below. It's a $1,050 bonus with Bybit if you make a deposit of, I think, 0.02 Bitcoin or up. I'm not sure how much it is, but you make that deposit, you get $1,500 bonus. They're also having a $400,000 prize pool and a 15% annual interest. So definitely check it out. Links are down below. There's a lot of other links down there that help the channel out, and you can get free stuff and bonuses from. So we were also looking at this as an Elliott wave ending 5th wave diagonal. It does seem to be playing out this way. If we take a measured move of this rising wedge, bring it down to here, that gives us a target of around $40,000, maybe just above it. But as of right now, and that doesn't mean we come straight down. We also have a target here of about 46.6 range. And if I put this in here, looking at this as a bear flag, I'm just going from the break of this candle right here. We could go much, make that flag pull a lot higher, but I'm just doing this to be kind of conservative. That gets us down to that 46.6 range right in that area. So that's kind of where I'm looking for right now. But there's nothing saying we can't come up and retest the bottom of this wedge one more time, maybe get a fake out to the upside. But if we do open and close back inside this wedge here, if we start opening and closing dailies in there, then I believe we could get bullish again. But until then, as long as we're below this trend line here, I am bearish. Also, I want to take a look at, we've taken a look at this before. I've had this drawn in here for some time, but this descending triangle in the RSI, if you guys watched my video the other day, I had said if we broke through, close below, retest the bottom of it, and continue down, that's going to be bearish. Well, that's what we did. It is looking pretty damn bearish right now. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart. So this is another bearish case scenario that I've been watching. And if we were to break down below that 50, there is a chance, like I said, we go to the 40, but there is a chance we could go as low as $20,000. Looking at this as a rising, broadening wedge, if we were to break down here, and I don't know exactly when or even if it's going to test this bottom, but if it does and breaks, around the 50,300. That would give us a target around $20,000, somewhere in that area. But first off, we would have, let me put this price label right here, right around that 40,000. That would also line up nicely with this trend line here. So that's something to keep an eye on. If we do that, we could get a bounce back up to retest the bottom of this, get everyone bullish again before coming down, reset the RSI. Let's zoom in a little bit and look at the RSI on the 4 hour here. The EMAs obviously are crossing extremely bearish here. We are below all the EMAs in a 4 hour. And if you look here on the RSI, we're making higher highs in the RSI, lower highs in the price action. That is bearish divergence. So that backs up the theory of this being a bear flag with at least one more drop down. And like I said, if we break that 50, the next target's going to be around that 46. And then I would expect a bounce around that 46, maybe even come all the way back up and retest this trend line around 51 to 55, depending on how long it took, and then continue down to possibly that $40,000 range. This is just another look at the daily. We're looking at this as a possible rising channel also, and that gets us the same measured move from the break of that channel down to here, which also lines up with the 200 EMA around that 39,000. Our funding rate is moving up again, starting to favor the bears again. So most likely getting ready for this move. Will this happen today? It's hard to tell. Right now we're getting squeezed in between the 8, 13, and 21 EMA up here. Then we have our 55 EMA here. We could bounce around in this range for a little while before the drop. So be aware of that. But like I said, $40,000 is where I think we're going to end up possibly after. Like I said, watch for a bounce around that $47,000 to $46,000 range, bounce back up in this area. But that $40,000 range is where I'm looking at for, in the next couple months or something. It could take quite a while to get down there because we will have bounces back up. But that's what I'm looking at with that. This is the longer term macro chart. As you guys know, I have the Fibonacci channels in here. The Pi cycle top has called all these tops in here, and we did get a top call here, and we were watching. I'll zoom in so you can see it. We were watching this 0.236 fib. Every time we get above it, we get rejected, and get rejected pretty hard. We're almost below the 21 EMA here. If we open and close the daily below that 21 EMA, which is going to be around the 55,000, it's going to get pretty damn ugly, guys. We could come all the way back down here within the next few months and come back down and retest this next fib also. So keep an eye on it. Be cautious unless we break this top fib up here. And as of right now, that's going to be somewhere around the 66,000 range. And open and close a daily candle above that. There's no reason for me to be bullish and expect another high up here. So just be careful. We also have this parabolic arc drawn in here, which I told you we broke when we broke over here. So as of right now, I'm looking for that $40,000 to $46,000 range first. Most likely the 46, 47,000. I do expect probably a bounce back up from there. Retest this area before coming down to the 40,000. But as you can still see that we broke down from the RSI in the daily, came back up, retested the old support as resistance and got rejected. That keeps me bearish. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Sorry about the quick video. Like I said, I got a lot going on right now. Definitely check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. A lot of cool stuff on here. She does everything herself. Check it out. You can have her put anything you want on any of this stuff, any saying, family pictures, any crypto, whatever you want. Just check it out. Hit her up in the contact if you have any questions. She's quick to get back to you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the Crypto Savvy logo above my head to get you subscribed to the channel. Smash that like button. Leave your comments down below. Check out these videos, and I'm out.